going to show you how to set up the Samsung Galaxy S23 as well as the S23 Plus step by step. First thing is go ahead and turn on your phone. You can press and hold that power button until the Samsung logo appears. Then once you're on the welcome screen here, go ahead and choose your language. I'm good with English. I'm going to tap on start. Now I just got like a little message down here saying that you can insert your physical SIM card now. So you can do it now, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it after the setup is complete, and then I'll insert the SIM card, and I'll put that in another video. The link will be below in the description, okay? Anyway, from here for your review, go ahead and read the details. You must check at least the first two in order to proceed, okay? But I'm fine with agreeing with all three of these here. And for myself, I'm going to click on agree. Set up using device to copy settings, accounts, and more from another phone or tablet. Keep it nearby and unlocked. Okay, so you can do that for Galaxy or basically Android phones as well as an iPhone and iPad. So if you have another device that you want to transfer your settings and whatnot, bring it close up here and pick one of these. Okay, but for myself, I want a fresh new copy on this phone, so I'm going to click on skip, and then I'm going to choose my Wi-Fi network. You can always skip this and do the Wi-Fi later as well, but I'm going to do that. I'm going to do mine now. Put in my password to my Wi-Fi. Then after you put in your password, tap on connect. It says connected up there. Searching for eSIMs here. Select your service provider. Choosing your service provider helps us find your eSIM mobile plan. So for myself, I'm not going to be using an eSIM. I'm going to use a physical SIM card. So, but for these that have a physical or a eSIM, then choose whatever your carrier is, okay? But for me, again, I'm using a physical SIM, and you can always do this, the eSIM later as well, okay? But for me, I'm going to go ahead and skip this. Now it says copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more from a different device as well. Okay, so if you want to do that, you can tap on next right there, and then you will need an old Android, iPhone, or iPad device. So you want to go ahead and bring it close by and click on next. Okay. However, for me, I'm going to go back. Like I said, I want a fresh copy on this, so I'm going to click on don't copy for myself. Google account sign in, basically your Gmail. You can do this now, or you can do it later. You can never do it. Okay. For myself, I'll skip it and I'll do this at another time. Google services, use location, allow scanning, send usage and diagnostic data. These are all optional, okay? This is a preference. This is up to you. I'm fine with all of them, all three toggled on. I'm going to tap accept. Protect your phone. You can go ahead and input a password now, or you can skip it. I would advise put a password in now, okay? You can do Face ID, fingerprints, regular password pattern, PIN, and so on. For myself, I'm just going to do a fingerprint right now. So I'm going to do a fingerprint password, and I also need a PIN, password, or pattern just in case my fingerprint doesn't work, or I don't want to use my fingerprint. I can always put in my actual password. So for this one here, I'm just going to go ahead and use that PIN. It's just a 4-digit here. After you put it in the first time, tap on continue, and then reconfirm one more time. After you reconfirm, tap on OK. All right. So now I have my PIN. Now we can go ahead and set up a fingerprint here. So I'm going to tap on register right there. And then we see a little, go ahead and choose your finger. I'll just use my thumb here. I'm going to hold it and up and down. Feel it vibrate, vibrate it, vibrate it, and just keep on going here. All right, 100%, and I can click on next. Now the fingerprint scanner will be like right here, okay, when you try to log in. Your Samsung account, you can go ahead and sign in, or you can create an account, or you can skip it and do it later, or skip it and never do it. Okay, so for myself, I'm going to go ahead and skip this part here. Samsung services. Now go ahead and read through all these. Now all of these are optionals to proceed. Okay, so read through these and figure out which one you want or don't want. I'm fine with all 4 of them, and I'm going to tap on agree. You want your display mode to be light or dark. Okay, dark, light. Most of you guys are going to choose dark. I like dark myself, so I'm going to go with dark. Tap on next. You're all set up. You can go ahead and explore your Galaxy phone, or you can just go ahead and tap on finish. And voila. We are in business, guys. Now I'm going to go ahead and insert my physical SIM card. If you want to know how to do that, look in the link below in the description area.